Section 12 of the course outline template is the learning plan. It is organized using rows. Each row contains fields that help delineate the weekly plan of the course. They describe the method of delivery, number of class hours, required resources, and the expected weekly learning objectives/topics and learning activities. Each row also describes when evaluation items are due throughout the course, as well as which course learning outcomes and essential employability skills are addressed by the weekly objectives and activities. When you create a new course outline, there is only one row by default. Additional rows can be added using the Add Row button on the far right of the first row. The new row will be inserted immediately below the existing row. If you add extra rows by mistake or in the wrong location, simply delete them using the Delete Row button also located on the far right of any given row. Each row consists of 10 cells that must be considered. Begin by typing the week or module number in the week/module input field. You must input only whole numbers, for example, 1, 2, or 3, no spaces, decimals, other characters, or symbols. Next, using the pull-down menu in the delivery cell, select the method being used for that week. Input the number of hours for the delivery for that week. Again, please use only whole numbers. Input the weekly intended learning objectives/topics, and then the weekly intended learning activities. Click in the Course Learning Outcomes input field to select which CLOs are supported by your weekly objectives and activities. Click in the Taught and Practiced input fields of the Essential Employability cell to select which ESs are taught and practiced that week. The week/module, estimated class hours, intended learning objectives, intended learning activities, and course learning outcomes cells all require you to input information. However, if there is no information to place into the field, input a period as a placeholder character. The resources and references, evaluation, and weighting cells can be left blank. You may use more than one row to describe the plan for any given week. For example, in a hybrid course you may have one row describing 2 hours of in-class time and another describing 1 hour of online activities.